Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way businesses operate in various sectors. From managing the customer relationship to enhancing product development capabilities, AI tools offer significant benefits to enterprises. In this video, we will explore 5 ways in which AI tools are transforming several key business functions. AI-powered chatbots have made it easier for companies to handle customer queries, complaints, and provide assistance round the clock. These chatbots are programmed to provide quick and accurate responses, ensuring customer satisfaction and saving time and money for businesses. AI algorithms are being used to streamline complex logistics processes and optimize the supply chain. It helps businesses to lower transportation costs, improve inventory management, and increase transparency across the supply chain. AI tools are empowering companies to make data-driven decisions by analyzing vast amounts of data in real time. It enables businesses to identify market trends, analyze customer behavior, and make informed decisions that drive growth and success. AI-powered automation tools enable companies to identify maintenance issues before they become significant problems, preventing downtime and saving money. By analyzing sensor data, machine learning algorithms predict equipment breakdown, allowing manufacturers to perform repairs before damage occurs. AI tools are being used to detect security threats and provide proactive cybersecurity measures. It helps businesses to protect their sensitive data and systems from cyber attacks, safeguarding their reputation and customer trust.